An ancient hidden circle remains governed strictly by primitive natural laws, erasing it from the world's map historically. This is no ordinary forest, but a specialized ecosystem with ancient structural platforms flanking a deep ocean shoreline, concealing hidden marshes. The protected ground features unyielding granite pillars standing like a secure fortress, parallel to massive cracked stone obelisks along the coast. Two massive prehistoric apex titans stand securely on high rocky pinnacles scanning the horizon line together in the abyssal port's coastal landscape. A sudden powerful vibration rising from the deep cavern spaces terrifies the largest native wilderness predators, causing intense sand and stone vibrations near ocean waves. A terrifying disaster, hidden for centuries, has finally emerged to hunt, sending large primeval reptiles fleeing aggressively into the deep forest. Emerging from dark, mysterious waters, the world's largest primal predator, the giant python, enters this local zone, causing massive ocean displacement and splashing water. A high-velocity confrontation begins on the shoreline, where territorial dominance is tested by primitive forces, shaking the coastal tree lines violently. The old forest silence shatters like an explosion as the giant python erupts directly from deep water, creating an intense physical storm wind rush. The titans, utilizing unexpected velocity and massive body weight, ambush the island guardians, unleashing a massive physical impact blunt thud. The giant python rapidly deployed its main coils, wrapping them tightly around Kong's upper torso, causing intense reptilian muscle and skin friction. Simultaneously, the predator deployed its massive tail, constricting Godzilla tightly against a coastal rock pillar, causing hard grinding noise of scales against basalt. A Sanjin phase of death began where every passing second squeezed natural oxygen out of their lungs, deep bone creaking structural sounds echoing through the forest. Survival appeared completely impossible as the intense pressure brought the protector skeletons close to breaking point tonight, labored animal respiration filling the air. The immediate jungle ecosystem experienced a severe wave of terror, witnessing the potential fall of the kings, shifting foliage and low wind drone filling the air. But the true king's deep rage is their greatest destructive power, which the enemy underestimated completely today: rapid low-frequency heartbeat amplification filling the air. Despite the compression loops, Kong activated his mental capacity, lifting a heavy granite piece from the mud using his available free hand immediately. He drove the stone with force into the lower cranial base near the python's sensitive main artery, causing a sharp, blunt puncture and impact crunch. A severe wave of pain surged through the monster's body, forcing its tight coils to loosen today, high-pitched pained reptilian hiss echoing through the forest. Gaining absolute freedom, the ancestral rulers combined their individual defensive power to execute a massive counterattack, heavy thudding footsteps on rock filling the air. Godzilla collected his immense internal energy, unleashing a brilliant nearly Roshni, energy charging up crackle sound echoing through the air. He delivered an extremely powerful atomic shockwave strike directly onto the python's jaw, forcing immediate fluid eruption, deep sub-base energy blast explosion shaking the forest. The titan broke several old structures, crashing down onto the earth with a heavy and decisive thud, rock breaking and heavy body crash thuds echoing through the air. The coastal clearing has completely transformed into a dangerous death field, where a fire of revenge burns, churning mud and heavy breathing filling the air. The primary physical confrontation reaches its absolute conclusion, resulting in the total immobilization of the invading reptile, the landscape forever changed. Suddenly, something completely unthinkable occurs. Deep subterranean fractures tear open the entire coastal landscape baseline, loud violent earth-splitting rip echoing through the air. Thousands of small venomous serpents emerge sequentially from the earth matrix, forming an unstoppable dark storm wave, mass hissing and rustling sounds filling the air. Simultaneously, a massive molten volcanic disruption spreads across the sky, covering the territory in hottish clouds, distant volcanic eruption rumble echoing through the air. An ancient primordial force has awakened from the deepest subterranean roots, ready to consume the entire world, low-frequency deep earth hum filling the air. Covered in deep wounds, the victorious kings prepare their absolute final rage power to survive this effort, rhythmic heavy footprints on loose sand echoing through the air. The unique landscape of the sanctuary is permanently modified by the extreme physical violence of today's fight, low sizzling sound of hot ash hitting water filling the air. Agitated mineral elements settle once again into mud pools, as the valley returns to a quiet state today, soft bubbling and hissing water sounds echoing through the air. Life along the ground slowly resumes as smaller organisms witness the aftermath of the Titan's war now, tiny skittering and clicking noises filling the air. These jagged stone crowns have witnessed the fall of massive invaders and the rise of victors. Hamisha, howling wind blowing through stone gaps echoing through the air. Scavengers descend from high altitudes to participate in the final chapter of this deadly wilderness struggle today. High-pitched distant scavenger bird cry echoing through the air. Relics of the combat are slowly buried by the sands of time, becoming part of natural history. Soft water ripples flowing over stone plates echoing through the air. Tranquility returns to the territory, but the memory of the dangerous invasion will echo Hamisha here now. Steady mountain forest breeze gust echoing through the air. Even the strongest kings must tend to their wounds after surviving a lethal encounter with monsters today. Water splashing softly echoing through the air. As dawn approaches, the predator's memory fades, and the sun honors the victors of final battle Hamisha. Prehistoric morning birds chirping cautiously echoing through the air. Nature adapts quickly to violence, using the scars of the past as foundation for the future today. Small insect wings buzzing near rocks echoing through the air. The waters are still once again hiding the memory of the giant predators that fought here earlier. Soft water drop plop sound echoing through the air. Even in the site of destruction, new life begins to bloom, fueled by rich volcanic soil structures. Soft leaf rustling in valley breeze echoing through the air. Walking through the ferns, the ruler re-established his daily patrol of the land he successfully defended today. Swishing plants and heavy low thuds underfoot echoing through the air. Standing tall, the ancient trees endure the passing of seasons and the violent wars of Titans Hamisha. Creaking wood fibers in wind echoing through the air. The forest is alive with movement as the cycle of life continues under watchful eyes here today. Branch snapping lightly echoing through the air. At night, the marsh reveals its eerie beauty, masking the violence that occurred beneath the silver moon. Constant night insect chorus near water echoing through the air. Steam rises from cooling earth as the heat of the battle dissipates into darkening night air channels. Hissing mist and running water sounds echoing through the air. The jungle canopy hides many secrets, but the story of the hunt will Hamisha be told here. None echoing through the air. Small life forms emerge once again to claim their place in the cycle of nature today Hamisha. Fluttering transparent insect wings echoing through the air. Pristine atmospheric movements shroud the highest ridges, keeping silent vigil over changing primitive wildlife domains Hamisha. Steady high altitude wind gust patterns echoing through the air. Morning condensation provides critical sustenance for small local organisms moving through dense hidden foliage layers routinely today. Soft water drop dripping off leaf echoing through the air. Towering ancient groves remain unaffected by massive apex confrontations, preserving natural structures over long eras Hamisha now. Gentle forest breeze hum echoing through the air. These ancient heights maintain an unyielding watch over the shifting cycles of life and primal animal combat. High altitude wind whistle echoing through the air. Native avian species navigate the thermal columns, safely executing crucial scanning flights across their secure wilderness kingdom. Wind blowing past feathers smoothly echoing through the air. Light penetration re-establish high ground visibility, guiding local animal groups back to standard daily migratory tracks. Bamboo stalks creaking together softly echoing through the air. The stationary water surfaces mirror the pristine majesty of the sanctuary, indicating total return of environmental calm. None echoing through the air. Rhythmic vegetation movements harmonize with localized air currents, confirming the absolute equilibrium of this deep sanctuary zone. Continuous soft plant swishing rustle echoing through the air. Thermal absorption routines help native cold-blooded organisms regain vital energy metrics under the bright morning sun rays. Tiny skittering foot movements echoing through the air. Atmospheric circulation patterns shroud the highest crags, providing a secure layer of privacy for the kingdom. Steady smooth high-altitude breeze echoing through the air. Rinsing water flows down rock faces, cleaning away dirt layers and restoring the natural look of geological structures. Rhythmic liquid trickling splashes echoing through the air. The endless primitive canopy represents the core baseline health of this highly specialized subterranean wildlife sanctuary. None echoing through the air. The legends of the abyssal port will forever echo the day the king stood firm Hamisha. One final distant primate roar echoing into absolute silence, none echoing through the air. Time code 714 to 721. Visuals. High-angle overview of a vast sea of primitive jungle ferns glistening cleanly under daylight beams. Location. The abyssal port. Upper canopy panorama. Voiceover. Time code 721 to 728. Visuals. Medium tracking shot of a small prehistoric rodent collecting fallen nuts near large ancient tree trunks. Location. The abyssal port. Prime Val forest floor. Voiceover. Time code 728